Hey guys, it's Eric with VerTac. Today we're going to be talking about Otte Gears LV Insulated Hooded Jacket. So in front of me I have the MultiCam Otte LV, which stands for Lo-Vis Insulated Hooded Jacket.
I think you should like and subscribe.
It comes in 6 different colors. It comes in Classic MultiCam, MultiCam Alpine, Moss, Ranger Green, Black, and Gray. The LV jacket is filled with 100-gram Primaloft insulation. It's coming in at 26 ounces. It is a good in-between medium weight jacket. It's not filled with anything heavier like their HT jacket. It's also not something along the lines of a base layer. It could be layered up or layered down depending on your environment and the conditions. I've used this jacket personally as an everyday jacket or using it with kit. It's, again, very self-regulatory. I have found myself not needing to layer up, meaning putting more base layers underneath, or having to take any additional layers off when I'm just using this jacket in my current environment. It's, again, a casual, nice-looking jacket that I can wear with my wife out to dinner, or I can wear out on the range with my friends. So even while doing extreme activities in full kit, I never felt myself getting too hot or too cold. This jacket regulated my body temperature very well. Again, it wasn't breaking out in a sweat, and I wasn't feeling like I needed to up layer or put more layers on while wearing this jacket while, again, doing extreme activities. The LV jacket has a free hanging hood. It has an elastic enclosure on the front and a shock tube closure on the back for comfort. Going down the front, we have a YKK zipper running the length of the body. We have a zippered left breast pocket. The cuff enclosures are elastic. There's also an interior zippered left breast pocket. And there are fleece-lined zippered hand pockets on either side of the jacket. Rounding out at the bottom, there is a shock tube closure for cinching around your waist. So the Otte Gear LV jacket is a very simplistic jacket. As the name states, Lo-Vis, there's no identifying panels, there's nothing else on this jacket that screams military law enforcement. You can use this as an everyday jacket, you can use this for hiking, other outdoor activities, or you can use it for other military law enforcement applications as well. I'm Eric with VerTac. If you guys have any questions, reach out to us at verrettstactical.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.